Hello everyone, welcome to this new video about how to write a killer bio. The bio is another very important aspect of your profile page since it will probably be the first thing people read when they discover your account. So it has to be short, impactful and tells who you are. A lot of people make the mistake of writing something way too generic, something like entrepreneur, founder, indie hacker or builder, but this doesn't really say anything interesting about you. Instead, you want people to instantly understand what makes you different. For example, instead of just saying SaaS founder, you could say building AI SaaS publicly until I reach 3k MRR, or I failed 3 startups before making 10k MRR. This is much more memorable because it tells a story. If you can include the numbers about what you achieved, it's even better because people like numbers. If you achieved the MRR, for example, even a small one, you can include it. You can also include the amount of users that your app has, the number of startups you launched, the amount of success, failures, etc. Again, place something about you that distinguishes you from other people. You can also place some links of your products because it's related to you and will act as marketing since people will directly see what you're building. But the most important is to not sound like everyone else with something casual like entrepreneur or builder. This doesn't make you unique and doesn't make people remember you. When people look at your bio, they must think, well, this guy is not like the others, he is doing something differently. And one last thing, keep your bio easy to read. Don't make it too complicated and don't use too fancy words or long sentences. And that's it, now your bio is ready and we can move to the banner.